In multi-project companies, when there are delays in delivery, people try to find out what caused the delay. Many times they find that the delay was caused by some non-critical task which should have got completed very easily. This is very frustrating for everybody in the project's environment. Let us dive a little deeper and find out why does this happen. There are two common assumptions with which people work in projects. First assumption is that every project has got a few critical tasks, and if those critical tasks can be completed on time, then the project will get completed on time. The second assumption is that all other tasks are non-critical and they will never require senior management attention. And these non-critical tasks have a buffer, so they can be safely left for the team to execute. And even if the team goes wrong somewhere, because of the buffer, they will be able to recover, and eventually those non-critical tasks will get completed on time. Because of these two assumptions, while doing project progress review, managers focus on the critical tasks which were identified upfront. And in the process, some non-critical task gets delayed and eventually becomes the reason for delay in delivery. How can this situation be prevented? So first thing that is required is a change in mindset. So rather than thinking that every project has got few critical tasks which can be identified upfront, we should think that any task in a project can get held up at any time and become critical. Another way to put this is that the critical path of a project can only be known in hindsight. It cannot be identified upfront. Because in reality, what is a critical task? A critical task is something which actually caused delay in the project. It is not the tasks which were identified upfront as the most likely to cause delays. Because we are interested in the ones which actually cause delays. In order to work with this assumption that any task can become critical at any time and can get held up, what is required is a project tracking mechanism which will draw attention to any task that is held up. Thus, it can bring senior management attention to the right place at the right time, and the issues can be resolved. It is possible to build such a project tracking mechanism, and the company should focus on building such a mechanism. Otherwise, there will always be surprises from what they call as non-critical areas, and the delivery performance will never improve.